you! Would you like to turn this humble courgette into delicious vegan enchiladas? It's made with a mouth-watering jackfruit filling instead of chicken. It's fully vegan and low-carb. Let's do it! The main ingredients are zucchini and green jackfruit. For added flavor and nutrients, we'll also use these colorful peppers, cilantro, a shallot, garlic, and a little lime juice, optionally. Finally, let's make our enchiladas juicy and spicy with these spices: smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, cumin, chili powder, and some tomato sauce. All is left is some hot chipotle sauce, but you can use any other hot sauce you fancy. In the description below, we'll give you all the measurements. Okay, let's start by prepping our jackfruit. Grab a bowl and use it to squeeze out as much liquid from the jackfruit as you can. This is especially important if you bought canned jackfruit, as canned water is a bit acidic and you should rinse it off first. Here we go! Look how much water we squeezed out. Now we want to get rid of these hard bits on each nugget and only keep the stringy bit. We keep this part because it's easy to shred and has a meatier texture. What can you do with these extra bits? Make some vegan chicken nuggets, recipe in the description. Okay, now let's move on to the veggies. Chop the shallot. You can also use onions if you prefer. Then use half of each pepper. These peppers will give flavor and color to our recipe, making it both tasty and cute. If you only have a single variety of peppers, don't worry, just use what you have at hand. Next, we'll prepare the enchilada sauce. Grab a big bowl and pour in the tomato sauce. Then dip in the cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, chili powder or flakes, and some cumin. Finally, add in 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Give it a good stir and salt according to your personal preference. Let's move to the cookers now. Grab a skillet and drizzle in some extra virgin olive oil. Then add the shallots and a chopped garlic clove. Let this sizzle for a few minutes and then add the 3 peppers we chopped earlier as well as the jackfruit. Cook the jackfruit for around 5 minutes and then start mashing it with the back of a spatula or shredding it with the tine of a fork. Whatever works for you. The important thing is to make it look like shredded chicken breast. Look how nice! Now pour in a big ladle of sauce. And the cilantro. You can optionally squeeze in a lime to add a bit of contrast to the spices. Keep cooking everything for another 5 minutes and salt according to taste. Now that we have the filling, it's time to work on the wraps. We'll need a trusty vegetable peeler and the zucchini. Start by chopping the ends of the zucchini and then slice it as uniformly as you can. You will need around 3 or 4 slices per wrap, depending on how wide you want the zucchini rolls to be. We used 3 slices per roll, and to make 16 rolls, we used approximately 3 medium-sized zucchini. This is approximately how long and thin you should slice the zucchini. Once you have all your slices, arrange them like this, overlapping them by a little less than half. Then, add a scoop of filling at one end and roll the zucchini tightly but delicately. Let's go over this step one more time. Stagger the slices. Add the filling. And roll. Ta-da! Well done! Now arrange all the rolls in a casserole dish and top everything off with the remaining sauce. Doesn't it look yummy? And it's so healthy too, vegan and low carb. By the way, you can top the enchiladas with some shredded vegan cheese if you wish, like this one. If you don't want to use it, we'll show you a healthier alternative in a moment. But first, let's bake this beauty. Here it is, all nice and grilled. If you didn't use the cheese, you can use this homemade vegan sour cream instead. Made with soy yogurt, vinegar, chives, garlic powder and salt. Check the description for the full recipe. Finally, finish off with some fresh coriander. And voila! Healthy vegan chicken enchiladas ready to be shared with your loved ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy recipes, and please reach out in the comments with any questions. Thanks for watching! Bye!